You can now scrape data from a website that requires logging in using Robot Studio. Let's learn how. Let's say you wanted to get access to your private playlist in YouTube of videos you'd like to watch later. This requires being logged in. Let's take a look at how to get this done. We'll begin by pasting the URL we'd like to record, checking this box saying that we need to log in. I'll choose the login with my session cookies and start training robot. We're going to use Robot Studio this time. And when I choose this option, I see a pop-up prompting me to install the extension. I click the button, click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and grant the extension permissions. I'll click Allow, and then we're back to where we started. Once again, I'll click on Start Training Robot and use Robot Studio. At the top of your screen, you should see a message saying Grabbing Cookies Now. Please note, this may happen very quickly depending on your internet speed, on the website, etc. Robot Studio will now load, and my website will be logged in using my session cookies. As you can see, here's my playlist. This is only available via the logged in state. Now I'll train my robot to extract this list of items. Capture text from a list, click on my list, and the AI assistant will gather all of the necessary data in a matter of seconds here. Perfect. I'll choose to get 10 items, and for pagination, I will select no more items to load. In this case, there are not. Click this, save captured list, finish recording. I'll save the default robot name, and my task will go into the queue, spin up a new server on the cloud, open Chrome, navigate to the website, simulate user actions, and there we go, 6 items extracted. And I'll click on yes, this looks good. Let's try running this task again, but with 1 additional item added to my playlist. Click on Run Task, go through all the same steps, and you'll notice that the 6 up here turns to a 7. So there are now 7 total items. The top one is the last one that I added. As a side note, you can also do this from the Tables tab of your robot. Find the row you want to run and click Update Row. It'll get queued, go to In Progress, and then Succeed, and you'll see that there are now 7 items, and I can view them right here. And the most recent one at the very top is the same one as previously. There are many use cases like this. For example, Medium, or Substack, or maybe Airbnb, or Monster, or Amazon. Places where you've got a wish list, a reading list, a saved list, anything that's private that you don't want to share with the world, but that you would like to be able to scrape for yourself, either to put into your own database or to share with people selectively. Now you can do so with Robot Studio and the Chrome extension.